Can you just do a little bit testy?
Testy.
Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of My Perfect Bite. I'm Micah from micasakitchen&bar and this is going to be an amazing episode. My guest today has played in places like the States, Madison Square Garden, this guy. Fantastic guy, I've known him about half my life as well. Please welcome Mr. Han Quan. Thanks for joining me. Yeah. So you are a professional drummer. You teach drumming for like what, 7 years already?
About 7 years, yeah, for ages 4 and above.
All right, cool. And I hear you suck at cooking.
And you suck at drums.
So I'm going to be teaching Han Quan how to cook today. And it's going to be the simplest recipe in the entire world. It's smashed avocados with a bit of scrambled eggs on sourdough toast. Okay, so from the scrambled eggs, we are going to be just having some room temperature eggs, some Parmesan cheese, some unsalted butter that's cold, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper. I've got some ripened avocados, cut cherry tomatoes, small little purple shallot, a lemon. I've got some heavy cream over here because I've got no sour cream. And of course, sea salt. We're gonna be making a sour cream for the first start. So I've just got some heavy whipping cream, which is about 35% fat. Heavy cream goes all the way in. Zester. If you don't have a zester, you can use one of those your graters at home. And then you essentially just want to have that natural oils that comes out from the peel. Inside over here, there's a lot of sacs, right, that contains the juice. So a lot of people kind of do this, which completely works. If you don't like to do this, you can pop inside your microwave for 10 seconds or so. And you sort of just want to do it like that. Okay. So you're squeezing in the juice of it.
How about the seeds?
Yeah, you don't really want seeds inside as well.
Yeah.
You sort of have a mixture like that, right? So it's just lemon zest and cream and lemon juice. Yeah. You got yourself a whisk. And you see how that instantly curdles? Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that! Oh my god, it's yogurt or sour cream. I impress myself on a day-to-day basis as well because I can remember all this stuff. What you want is sugar. So you can have sugar in multiple ways. Right here I've got a bit of sugar syrup. And that's essentially to balance out the acidity. Fresh cracked pepper. I like to have a bit of olive oil inside as well. It's got good taste. Sort of just give that another mixy. Salt. Onions, I quite like to dice them up. Sometimes you don't really want to have a large chunk of onion inside your mouth. So when you cut, you are essentially like that, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't really want to cut yourself. You can cut it smaller. Avocados, they will come in different colors. So this one is fairly brown. It's soft to the touch.
Anyway. They're usually green, right? Aren't they?
They're usually green.
Bigger and
the one that are green is the unripened ones. So if it's unripened, you have to sort of purchase it, wait 3 days on a room counter, room temperature, and it'll slowly start to ripen up. So insert knife over here, right? And then you sort of go around it.
Yeah.
And then you sort of do that twist.
Yeah.
And that's it, right? So that seed, use the heel of your knife, and then you sort of tap, right? Right? Once you tap,
Nice.
and then you sort of twist, and now, right? I'd like to have an applause from you. Spoon. Comme ça. Out. You wanna try?
Sure.
Yeah. Turn. Very good. Knife down. Put the knife down. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you sort of tap it. And one more time. Yeah. Okay. And then one more time.
No. There you go.
Oh my God! He's done it. All right. Cool. All right. And then again, sort of like. And then smash. You wanna try?
Sure.
There you go. You don't have to be professional to cut an avocado because, as you can clearly see what Han Quan is doing, it's great. Yeah. Now, all you want is to actually take a wee bit more lemon and sort of squeeze a bit of juice inside there. Then at this stage, you sort of just toss everything in. Some cherry tomatoes, just chuck them inside as well. This is good to go inside your fridge. If you don't mind me asking, why of all instruments you chose the loudest one?
I think I just saw a friend was playing it, and yeah, it just looked very interesting. A lot of movement.
Yeah. Got anger issues?
No.
Sure?
Sure. Sure.
Before you toast your bread, you have to preheat your pan, but it doesn't have to be too hot as well. For the scrambled eggs, I'm going to start it off cold, in a cold pan. So that means there's absolutely no chance of it sort of creating a crust. That's yours. So and now butter, right? Butter goes right in, and then you slowly emulsify the butter. If you want it slightly more structured, you want to put in a wee bit of cheese. Oh yeah.
Done?
Yeah, done. A wee bit of avocado and sour cream, scrambled eggs. Cheese, man. Just a wee bit of olive oil. Scrambled eggs, done a la Mikasa. Smashed avocados with homemade sour cream. Doesn't that look beautiful? I'm actually quite proud of this, to be honest. Cheers. Yeah? Good. You're not just saying that, right? These are black summer truffles from Elba. Oh my god, what a treat! I know, right? Oh damn. That actually pretty nice. It's very super mild. If you're looking for a session drummer, a drum instructor, or a drum mentor, this is the guy. He's got experience on stage, he's been learning it for years and years. He does that paradiddle things that I can't do. But he's a fantastic coach. Video conference? Yeah. Zoom. So like a Zoom conference, you know, or if you like to go to his home where he's got two separate kits and then both of you can practice at the same time. For more information, click the link below to view Han Quan's Instagram page or his YouTube videos. Thank you very much for joining me on another episode of My Perfect Bite. I'm Micah from Micasakitchen&bar.
And I'm Han Quan, and you can find me on Instagram at drumhq.
Check it out. It's super cool. You guys have a fantastic weekend. Keep those masks on and social distancing. Ciao. Like, can you practice your... Yeah.
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 I think this volume is good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. And this is... Chew your food!
My name is Han Quan. From...
Wait, I don't know. Generally quite fun, right?